Okay, now we're ready to do the final crimp. I've got the ball with the ball and stud assembly here. There, of course, is the cup and the holder there. I made a profile cut in this old cutoff blade that's round, that fits on the cup, that'll push against it. Some heavy duty cutting oil in there, and I've got the lathe turning at 50 RPM. So let's give it a crimp and let's see what happens. Doesn't need a lot of pressure, just needs to close it up a little bit. Just checking the amount of play. And there we go. That's all it takes. Just a tiny little bit of a pushover and we're done. Let's take that out. Clean this off a little bit. Right, there we go. Let's back that up a little more. Here we go. Give it a little wipe off, and there you go. One swivel. Complete. Nice and tight.